Hello, everyone, and welcome to Connect News. My name is Minerva, and these are today's top news.
Coca-Cola kicks off Pakistan's first plastic road project. Coca-Cola Pakistan and Afghanistan have partnered with Capital Development Authority and Team Up National Incubation Center (NIC) to work towards creating a world without waste. This mega project involves locally introducing the concept of recarpeting national roads with plastic waste. For now, a 1 kilometer road in the Islamabad Capital Territory will be modeled as a proof of concept. This partnership was finalized on 21st September 2021 in an MOU signing ceremony held at the Team Up NIC offices in Islamabad. In attendance were environmental experts and government officials who discussed and debated the project in a panel discussion that followed the signing. This is where Team Up and NIC come in, working towards expanding the idea nationwide via hackathons, conferences, white papers, policy changes, and a coalition of partners. Team Up NIC hopes to make this a success. Pervez Abbasi and Zohair Khalik, representing the strategic leadership of the Team Up, NIC added, "When Coca-Cola came to us with the willingness to be part of the solution, we were keen to lead this because most of the startups and projects here are guided by the Sustainable Development Goals." This project by Coca-Cola Pakistan has adopted the process of sustainable innovation, whereby the scale is large. Almost 8 tons of recycled plastic is used only to recarpet a 1 kilometer patch of road. The technology, the research, and its application are Pakistani. Furthermore, this project allows the use of recycled PET waste to be part of a circular plastic economy and have a considerable positive impact on the environment. The roads recarpeted with plastic last almost twice as long and are 51% stronger. At the launch event of Plastic Road Pilot Recarpeting, a technical paper revealed the secondary research and global best practices, which will be adapted locally in the Pakistani context, and invites anyone to adopt plastic waste in strengthening road structures anywhere. Once adopted widely, this initiative is expected to save the government valuable taxpayer money in repairs cost. Where this new technology is practiced globally in countries across the world and even in South Asia, this is the first time Pakistan is adopting it under a public-private partnership. Chairman Capital Development Authority (CDA), Amir Ali Ahmed, an instrumental partner in making the project a reality, was the chief guest at the event. "We believe in a clean and green Pakistan, but we also believe in working with each other."
Thank you to all the deaf and hearing people around the world for connecting with us. If you enjoy the video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.